Here's a beautiful 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th Anniversary 1SC Convertible. You know, there are a lot of color combinations that we love to see on Corvettes, but this is one of my particular favorites. And this particular car is going to be a classic very soon, if not already. This is a beautiful Anniversary red on the exterior. It has that Shale interior and the Shale convertible top. What a beautiful combination of colors on this car. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 horsepower LS1 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Means this car is going to be fun to drive. Factory features include the $5,000 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the 50th Anniversary package, the heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, F55 magnetic selective ride control. The car has auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto headlights, dual power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control, has a Bose cassette stereo, fog lamps, power windows. Well, everything on this car is power, of course. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. The car is loaded with options, and this 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Convertible shows just 26,519 miles. Very low mileage for this car, and it's in nice condition. The paint is very good. It has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, as are the factory 50th Anniversary specific wheels. The tires on this car are brand new, and the interior, as you can see here, is very good factory leather seats, door panels, center console, all good to very good, as well as the steering wheel too. This car is completely factory stock, and it features a corrosion-free subframe. So give us a call today here at buyavet.net. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. This car has just 26,000 miles, and it's going to add to your collection or be the first Corvette in your collection. Give us a call today here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really, really soon.